Dear students, some important questions we are going to discuss from the chapter determinant and matrix. One question is regarding your inverse matrix. Question is, if A matrix is given as 2 5 1 3, then find the inverse of it. So first thing is, when we are going to calculate the inverse of a matrix, its inverse will exist or not. First we have to check its modulus, means mod of that matrix. If a mod of that matrix is not equal to 0, so we can say that its inverse exists. So how can we calculate the mod? So 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 minus 1 into 5, that is 6 minus 5 is 1, which is not equal to 0. That means inverse of this matrix is exist. So inverse of a matrix formula is adjoint A by mod of A. Now what is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is transpose of cofactor of that matrix. That means transpose of cofactor of A divided by mod of A. So how to calculate cofactor of a matrix? So the matrix is this. So cofactor is cofactor of first element, means first row, first column. So eliminate that row and column. So this is the value of A11, means this element. Cofactor of this element 2 is 3, and that is taken in positive. Similarly, cofactor of 5 is eliminate that row and column. So that means 1, it will be taken in negative. Okay, because here is first row, second column. So minus 1. So cofactor of 1 is eliminate that column, row. So 5, it is in negative, so minus 5. Okay. Similarly, cofactor of 3 is eliminate that row and column, so 2. Okay. Then it's transpose, because adjoint of A is cofactor of that matrix A and its transpose. So transpose of a matrix means you just convert the rows into columns or columns into rows. So first row is converted into first column. So 3 minus 1, I write here 3 minus 1. So second row elements are minus 5, 2. So I write here in second column. Okay. So that is adjoint of A divided by mod of A. I have already calculated, that is 1. So in denominator 1. So that means it will not change the value of this fraction. So A inverse is this. Another question second. A matrix A is given as 2 7 2 5 11 5 8 13x is a singular matrix. If this matrix is a singular matrix, then find the value of A. So if this is a singular matrix, its mod should be 0. So first find the mod of this matrix. So how you can calculate the mod? So you just know how to solve the matrix. So 2 into, cancel this row and column, so 11 into x minus 13 into 5 minus 7 into 5x minus 40. Okay, plus 2 into 13 into 5, 65 minus 88. I just calculated all this and simplify this. We will find the value of x. I calculated x is 8. Okay, next question. A determinant is given as A, B, C, D is equal to K into C, D, A, B. Then find the value of K. So simply find the value, means simplify the determinant. So this will be AD minus BC. Okay, AD minus BC. And in the right side, it will be BC minus AD into K. So just compare, here is AD minus BC, and within the bracket in right side it is BC minus AD. So minus common, so that will be AD minus BC, AD minus BC, AD minus BC cancel in both sides. So minus K is 1, so K is equal to minus 1. Another question, find the minimum value of the determinant which is given as cos x sin x minus sin x 1 plus cos x. You have to calculate the minimum value of this determinant. So just simplify. So cos x into 1 plus cos x minus sin x into sin x. So that means cos x plus cos square x minus into minus is plus sin square x. So sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So 1 plus cos x or cos x plus 1. We know the minimum value of cos function is minus 1. So here you put minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Okay. Another question. Solve the following equations by matrix method. Okay. Two linear equations are given. 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. Another equation is x plus 2y is equal to 4. In matrix form, how equations are written? The components or factors of x 2, then the factor of the coefficient or factor of y, that is minus 3. Similarly, in second equation, that is 1 and 2 within a matrix into the variables x and y is equal to, in right side, that is 1 and 4. So we have to calculate the value of x and y. So if I write that is x y, the matrix x y, then it will be divided in other side. That means we have to calculate the inverse of this matrix into this. Okay, again we know how to calculate the inverse of a matrix, that is adjoint of this matrix divided by mod of that matrix. So adjoint is again transpose of cofactor of that matrix. So I have calculated this. So first cofactors of this, the cofactor of 2 is 2, minus 3 is minus 1. Okay, so one is 3, for cofactor of 2 is 2. Then transpose means just reverse the that means row to column into row, that means this. So adjoint is calculated, so inverse will be divided by the mod. So now the equation becomes xy is equal to inverse of a, which I have already calculated, 1 by 7 into 2, 3 minus 1, 2 into 1 by 4. Now matrix multiplication. So multiplication in row, first column, second row, first column. So just simplify that. We find that is 2, 1. So that means x value is 2, y value is 1. Okay, thank you.